Rokno. Ini semua sarik jorawa press meet kayaknya nangka, omni karon nangke, karena sini je Bubagra, Tibrani sini chairman, sini borom gerang Bubagra, kodi competition manik kini Achaima sal, Achaima sal lorgai, seng sara Tibramo tha, YPF, TWF, je samung kayaknya, samung gudang kayaknya. Sara Tipra omnati na sakle muni bagi na press meet ang omai sini borong genang spokesperson ya Rwnai whatever kok sukurbi khnani bepare sai khnarne.
We forgot to mention that the Bubagra has sent the food and clothes to the Assam three trucks into Silchar. So I think this is one way of helping to the people on marking his birthday. So this is a great help that Bubagra is doing. It doesn't matter whether he lives in Tripura or whether he lives in different parts of the country, but always his love and affection and his help is being extended across the globe and across the nation. Thank you very much. Media friends, and first of all, let me extend my heartiest greeting to our Rasmata who is present here, and also the presence Honorable EM Suel de Burma, and we have here the Honorable MDC Rwnai de Burma, the President of YTA, and also we have Senior Most Honorable MDC Mr. Honorable de Burma, and we also have TWF President Sinjokina, and we also have the Tripura and the other warriors who are present here. First of all, we are here to brief the celebration that we are going to mark tomorrow is the Bubagra birthday. We are very happy and thank God for giving us Rasmata, who has given her only son, our Bubagra, and tomorrow we are marking as a very special day. Bubagra Maharaj's birthday is remarked as one of the very important and remarkable day that we call it Thansa Day. This Thansa Day is given and respected by the all indigenous people of the Tripura, and we are very happy to celebrate this Thansa Day as Maharaja's birthday. This Bubagra birthday won't be celebrated by enjoying, distributing sweets, or by enjoying like any other's normal birthday is being celebrated. But tomorrow this birthday as a Thansa Day will be celebrated by visiting the sick people in the hospital, by giving them the food, by giving them the clothes, those people who are clothless, and those people who are suffering from the sickness and diseases, and also particularly we forgot to mention that the Bubagra has sent the food and clothes to the Assam three trucks into Silchar. So I think this is one way of helping to the people on marking his birthday. So this is a great help that Bubagra is doing. It doesn't matter whether he lives in Tripura or whether he lives in different parts of the country, but always his love and affection and his help is being extended across the globe and across the nation. Thank you very much. That is tomorrow, 4th July 2022 will be exemplary for the whole nation and for you and for me and for all of us sitting here and for all of us here who are media here. I think by doing that, I think we are going to set an example to the nations, to the people, that yes, we care for everyone. There is a people who need our help. There is a people who need your care. There is a people who need your love and affections. I think this day, 4th July 2022 of Bubagra birthday, of Maharaj's birthday, will be celebrated across the state in this manner. This is how we all came here together. Today morning we had a joint meeting with YTF, with Tripramata, with TWF and with TEM. All of us have unanimously agreed and promised that we will celebrate and show the example to the nations. So thank you very much, and we extend, please, the greatest gift that we can give to our Bubagra tomorrow on his birthday is by celebrating, giving the love and affections to all the needy people. And we shall pray to God that Bubagra health will be kept healthy and he will live a long life to contribute his dedication to the people and to serve the people of Tripura and to serve the people of the nations. I think with that wishes, we all request each one of us that let us pray to God to give him a good health and to guide him and to protect him from every evils and from every incident and from every sickness and from every disease, so that as a leader that he may able to set an example to the people, particularly to the younger generation, to the youth, that they may be able to follow the footsteps of our Bubagra. I think that prayer will extend and that prayer will heal him, that prayer will support him, and that prayer will guide and encourage him to carry out the work, the burden that the nations and that the Tripura is needing at this hour of time. So we thank you, and maybe now we will brief in Kokborok so that those people who don't understand Kokborok or those who don't understand